Hi everybody. So this is work samples due November 19th. This is our little PowerPoint. I hope it's getting easier to figure out how to do work samples. So for math, we have our show amounts through 30, or I think this is 30. I'm sorry. I'm like 20. Let's just say 30 seemed kind of high. Um, again, name, date, unit number, lesson number. These are the unit and lesson numbers, so you can copy directly as long as your child completed the assignment on November 9th. Again, have them just complete it and submit it, and there you go. All right, the next one is literature and comprehension. This one is review the tale of Benjamin Bunny. Again, just have them complete it. And again, November 9th, Unit 7, Lesson 7. I'm trying really hard to keep them all on one day, but sometimes it's just, it's not possible. Then we have history. So at this point, we're not doing so. I think, actually, I want to say you're at the very tip of finishing social studies and the very beginning of history. So for history, it will be a lot of like maps, flags, things like that. That's a-okay. Have them put the number or the directions. And again, it's Unit 4, Lesson 2. It's on November 9th. But it's instead of it being social studies, it's history. But it's really, I mean, nothing has changed. Science. So this one you're supposed to cut out and paste on something. If you just color them, that's fine. It's really up to you what you want to submit. So if it's on, some construction paper or white paper or something, just make sure you label it as science so that, we know it's science. And then again, name, date. This one is on November 4th. I'm sorry. I did look ahead, but then it would be like too close to the due date, and I didn't want to do that to you guys. Unit 5, Lesson 3, and there you go. And then, of course, please do not submit art, music, world language. If you want to just show me, that's great, but please don't include them in the samples. Having digital samples this year, it's just, it's more complex. So if you do include them, I actually have to go in and use a special PDF separator, and it's a little bit of a process that I would thank you so much for me not having to do. So please don't submit those. If you want to submit them completely separate to show me, that's fine. No worry. Again, just kind of general guidelines in case you're just wondering kind of what and how to label them. We did a really good job with like blurriness and not including animals and kids and hands and stuff like that. So thank you so much for that. Like I think I said in the last video, I probably will not make these videos after December just because I think you guys will be versed and you'll be able to just follow a PowerPoint. But yeah, all right, great job last couple times. This next time will be quarter 2, so very exciting. And here are the due dates one more time: November 19th, December 17th, and then we'll be in the next round for the second part of the year. So, woohoo! All right, bye guys. Thanks.